Very warm welcome to all the viewers of Indo Thai News. So here we are at Bitec, covering the ProPak Asia, which is the 27th International Processing and Packaging Exhibition. And this ProPak Asia is in fact Asia's #1 international trade event for food, drink, pharmaceutical processing and packaging technology. So on behalf of the organizer and the exhibitors, it's our great pleasure to welcome you to ProPak Asia 2019. So come, let's take a look. ProPak Asia keeps on surprising us here at Bitec, and now we are at ET Sprinter, a company from France, and we do have Agnes, representative of the organization. So let us hear it from her, what exactly they have to offer for the customers here. Hi Agnes, welcome.
Hello, thank you.
So could you tell something more about what your organization does and what sort of packaging material you guys offer?
Okay, so we are manufacturing cardboard packaging machinery, wraparound sleevers, end-load cartoners, top-load box formers and box closers. We are dealing with cardboard, most of the time for food industry, focusing on end-of-line packaging.
All right, great. So what sort of industry segments would be like benefited out of the machinery which you have?
Well, a lot of areas of food industry, I mean dairy products, cans, fish, meat, biscuits, bakery. You have so many possibilities as long as you are using cardboard packaging. Well, we have very flexible machines. We have 30 years of experience in a wide range of food areas, and we can make standard or bespoke machines, and we are always very happy to welcome customers from all over the world. Ask you some data of your project and we will build a solution together.
Do you guys provide on-site support, something like that?
We have local support in different countries, in Asia as well. We are training the maintenance teams. You can see our machines are mechanical and easy to use, easy to maintain.
We do have a gentleman here by the name of Stuart, and let's see what he has got for us.
Hi, good afternoon. This is our Jetcook technology. We use this all over the world for cooking of ready meals, curries, masala, dal. We have 2 systems about to enter into India for the cooking of masala and dal. This system will reduce processing time by 50 to 60%, energy by up to 50%, whilst also, as you can see, giving you a fantastic finished product. We have 250 of these systems throughout the world. We're operating in approximately 60 countries. We have head office in England, we have office in America, agents in India and South Africa. So when it comes to making ready meals, sauces and beverages, there is nothing quite like us in the world. We developed a technology over here called Jetcook. We spent about £7 million developing this over the last 15 years. It's 10 years ahead of its time. Nobody else has technology anything like this. This system can heat in a single pass liquids from 10 degrees C to 150 degrees C at flow rates of up to 24 tons an hour. You can stick this in a vessel and reduce processing times by 50 to 75%. There's no moving parts, gives you super product, and we're continually developing this to make it better and better and better and keep us ahead of the market. And we are the only people who have this technology in the world. We own the patents. Contact our head office in England on our website, which is www.dcnorris.com.
at the Rockville Automation stall here, and this is one of the brands which people are mostly like aware of. And we do have Max, the official representative of Rockville Automation here at Bitec Bangna.
Yeah, so basically what you have here is what we call the magnetic motion mover-like system. It's what we call the linear synchronous motor, in the sense that we can have an unlimited length of track system, because you don't have to use any moving coils. Because what over here is that you see is these are all our moving coils, and what is moving around is the magnetic array. We call it the parks. You can have undefinite numbers of a track system, and you can have lots of parks moving. And all the vehicle is being controlled as individual vehicles. So for example, right now we have something that is failing. You need to rework on the station. It will call for the vehicle to go to the rework station, and after the rework, you just eject it to the system, and everything will take care by the system itself. It's intelligent. It take care of the traffic, take care of when to merge inside and when to diverge. So right now, I just send it back again out, and I stop a vehicle here right now. You can see the vehicle doesn't collide to each other. So this is what we call the anti-collision programming. It's all one of the best features that we have in our system.
We do have Daniel, the director of BAK. May I ask you, like, what brings you all the way from Switzerland to Thailand in this ProPak Asia?
ProPak Asia is a very big exhibition for us. We are exhibiting, participating in this show since 10 years already, almost 10 years now. And we are based in Switzerland. We have various outlets, branches in India, in China, in Thailand as well. We have a various range of products coming from plastic welding machines up to packaging machines, right? So that can be, especially for this exhibition, ProPak, we have packaging. These are industrial heaters for shrinking, packaging, preheating, drying, right? Yes.
How do you see the response of the people? Like, are you getting the attention the way that you have got in the past 9 years or 10 years?
You know, the exhibition was growing quite fast the last couple of years. And surprisingly, we have good quality customers, visitors. Of course, we have a lot of customers as well, which visit us. But quality-wise, it's a very good exhibition, yes.
ProPak Asia is like surprising us every minute, every hour, and now we have the organization by the name of Robo Keo. And we do have Matteo with us, who is gonna like tell us something more about the organization, because I see like very technical machineries here.
Here we are talking about a new kind of equipment, a universal machine, which has several capabilities inside it. So we are able to cook using steam into a very thin double jacket. Then we can use the vacuum. We can cool down as well as heat up. We can use the blade. We have the mixing tool. We have different tools for different purposes. Which are the biggest capabilities or the features that this machine can give to customer or to people that are going to utilize it? In terms of time, for example, we can make a jam in 10-15 minutes compared to 1 hour, 1 hour and a half of any other standard equipment. We are able, using the vacuum, which is another great feature of this machine, of this kind of equipment, we are able to get a quality in emulsion with no air bubbles, so smooth mayonnaise, smooth processed cheese, and also we can move from the savory for the gastronomy into the pastry, so for custard, ganaches, jam, fillings, so a very lot of different products. Here we have, like, for example, jam that we did our machine. You can appreciate the color. The color is a bright red. This is the color of the strawberry. There is no colorants, no dyeing here. Here we have a mayonnaise, a paprika mayonnaise. with no bubbles inside. And so this is just two of the wide range of products we can get with this machine.
We machine from Korea, and we made a very high quality blower for the PET bottle. We are only one in the world make the blower with a full servo motor 100%. We can save energy consumption and air consumption. In this our model, the average we can save the air at 40 to the 50%, and we can recycling and reuse to the factory. And we have the automatic saving mode. When can you see when not have a preform go inside, have not work, the heater system is reduce the power from the 100% to 10% only. And when have the preform go in again, power increase again and ready to work immediately.
Last 11 years we are having DR Sonic Engineering Company, which has got special engineering equipment like in sieving technology. We guarantee for sieving 3 times to 5 times more than the conventional screening machines. And similarly we have food cutting system with ultrasonic connection in it, which has got a very prominent feature in food industry for cutting cake, cutting ice cream, which is frozen ice cream, which is hard to cut and which is not hygienic in the traditional cutting system. We have really got a very good project from segregation of the protein from Topeka starch slurry, which is very difficult to find out in the whole Thailand. Now we are trying to segregate protein from Topeka by using ultrasonic method. So this will give really very challenging in the whole starch or ground floor industry or any sieving which has got protein inside the slurry of food, which can be segregated easily. So we are working on that. And second, we are trying to have a turnkey project from the sieving towards the packaging in all food industries. For that we are working very hard to get proper design, drawing and technology, and we are working this in our in-house for improving this.
So here we are at the BCH Confectionery Process Systems here, and we do have Mr. Lee, who is going to talk about the organization and what kind of products he has to offer to the customers. So there you go, Mr. Lee. Could you tell us something about what do you have to offer?
Okay, yeah, we're BCH based in the UK, and we are here today mainly promoting our confectionery systems, which are mainly our extrusion systems for starch gel type products, licorice and that type of product, and also pure fruit snacks, which are seen as a more healthy option. BCH, I think it's the fact that we can provide a range of lines in numerous capacities from around 50 kilograms an hour up to 1,000 kilograms an hour, and flexible lines that can create a wide variety of different products using the same basic equipment. So it's a very flexible range of equipment that we're able to offer from confection manufacture.
I'm Srinivas Sondur, representing Goma Process Technologies from India. We are here in the ProPak exhibition to represent our wide range of equipments for the food processing, specialized into liquid food processing like yogurt, juices, beverages, ice creams, etc. The unique thing we are showing here this time is the ultra high treatment sterilizer, which we have launched recently and we have exported to many countries. As such, we are representing in customers in more than 40 countries, and here we have come specifically to focus for the Southeast Asia. We have got a very good response from Malaysia, Philippines, Vietnam, Cambodia, and also we look for the same thing from Thailand. It's really a good thing to get associated and know the market here in Thailand, and really there's a big prospects. The reason we are participating in ProPak Asia, Thailand, because Bangkok is a central for the whole Southeast Asian countries, and with presence in the Bangkok, you are covering about 8 to 9 countries in Southeast Asia, and people come here looking for new technologies, good quality products, and this is the right place to exhibit in the ProPak Asia. We have a customer base in about 47 countries across the globe, but now to expand with the main head office in Bombay in India, we also have offices in Dubai and also in Kenya in Africa.
A student who has flown directly from United States to visit this particular exhibition. So let us try to speak with him that what exactly brings him here.
My name is Pravansh Lohia. I'm studying chemical engineering at the University of California in Berkeley. I came to this conference, ProPak Asia, because I feel that there's lots of variety in technologies and lots of processing technologies that really interest me as a chemical engineer, because as a chemical engineer, we look to optimize processes, and that's what I find here. I found a solar-powered car. I found lots of renewable resources. I found technologies for mining. I found technologies for bottling. So all these different industries have come together at ProPak Asia, and that's what has brought me over here.
I work for Tyson APAC and as a regional executive chef, and coming to investigate different packaging machines and more manufacturing and stuff that we can use for our product innovation. Mostly just at the end line, and also for different cooking manufacturing as well and processing. Vacuum, sous vide, things like that. I come every year. Oh. Yeah, we find a lot of different more new and innovative products and processes, and it helps us go back to our kitchen lab and create new products that we know we can have a manufacturing base for.